Today we study about the remaining part of lysosome. Yesterday we completed about the structure of lysosome and types of the lysosomes. Yesterday we completed about the two types of lysosomes. That is the first one is the primary lysosome and second one is the second lysosome. Then remaining one is the residual bodies and the autophagosomes we study today. Then now study about the residual bodies. The food is digested by secondary lysosomes, pass through their membrane and becomes a part and parcel of cytoplasm. But all engulfed food is not digested. They always remain some undigested food. The secondary lysosomes with undigested food are called residual bodies. They travel towards the peripheral region and ingested undigested particles by breaking the cell. The accumulation of such bodies in the cell leads to the several pathological infections. So this is about the residual bodies. And fourth one is the autophagosomes or autophagic vacuoles. This type of lysosomes are formed when the cells start feeding on its organelles like mitochondria, etc. by a process called autophagy. At the time of autophagy, the primary lysosome aggregate around the cell organelles and digest them, and vacuoles are formed called autophagic vacuoles. Okay, so these are the types of lysosomes or polymorphism of the lysosomes. That is primary lysosome, second lysosome, residual bodies and autophagosomes. The now remaining part of this lysosomes, that is the functions of lysosomes. So now studying about the functions. The first one is the extracellular digestion. It play important role in the digestion of extracellular food particles, or digestion takes place outside the cell body by giving enzymes in surrounding area, that is called as the extracellular digestion. Next one is the intracellular digestion. They digest food particle during starvation. Lysosome digest cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and supply energy to the cell. And it is of two types, that is autophagy and heterophagy. Autophagy means self. The lysosomal enzyme digest cytoplasmic organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, that is cell itself, called autophagy. And second one is the heterophagy. The lysosomal enzymes digest exogenous material is taken in by pinocytosis or phagocytosis in vacuoles called autophagy. Okay, so this is the two types functions. Then you see here, this is the this is the schematic presentation of the phagocytosis, showing digestion, intracellular digestion and also showing the exocytosis. You see here, this is the bacterial enters into the cell. This one is the lysosomes. This is the phagosome. The lysosomes, when attaches to the phagosome, then it secretes enzymes and digests them. And the remaining body, that food materials are undigested, that is called as residual bodies. And these residual bodies then given away from this cell membrane, that is called as exocytosis. Okay. Then next function is autolysis. The lysosome digests the cell and tissue of the cell called autolysis. Autolysis means self break. For example, during metamorphosis, at amphibians, lysosomal digest many embryonic structures like gills and tails and fans, like this way. Next one is the role in fertilization. During fertilization, they help in penetration of sperm into the egg by dissolving the egg membrane with the help of lysosome present in the acrosome. Acrosome is the tip of the sperm. Next one is the cancerous growth. Lysosome causes abnormal proliferation of the cells leading to the cancerous growth. And last function is the abnormal functioning of lysosome causes various diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. The laborers working in the silica and asbestos factories suffers from the silicosis and asbestosis due to lysosomal activity. It may cause pulmonary fibrosis. Okay. Today we completed lysosomes. Today we completed cell organelles, all cell organelles. Okay. Today we stop here.